everyone, this is Brenda from Creations by Babydoll. I hope everyone's doing great. This is going to be a little bit longer of a video than I normally do because I'm going to be showing you how to do a flip and drag step by step. Now I'm going to be using a white background on the 7x14 canvas, and this is my Artist Loft with 1 cup Artist Loft, 1 cup water, and 1 cup Floetrol base paint to mix a thin consistency, because you do not want too much paint because you can run into the possibility of your paint cracking while it's drying. So we just want to put a little layer on here. Make sure to get your edges and your corners with white paint, because your edges are going to have the negative space also. Add a little bit more. Sort of rocking it here, getting it to the edge. Alright, so check the edges and the corners. And also you want to keep your base paint around for while it's drying, because just in case you get any bare spots, you can touch up with it. Now, since this is, first we need to torch it, get the air bubbles out. Okay, now like I was saying, this is a 7x14, so what I use on these is the little medicine cups. And you're not going to fill it all the way up. You're only going to fill it up to about right there, because like I said, less paint is more in this type of painting. You don't want it to crack while it's drying. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to punch a hole, 3 holes in the bottom of the little cup here. Put it down. 4 holes. Now I'm going to take a bit of masking tape to put on the bottom. That way the paint won't come out that we're putting in there. Let me wipe my hands real quick. What? Alright, now I'm going to spray it with the WD-40 silicone in the black canister. That way it helps release the paint, and so you don't have a lot of wasted paint. It all comes down to the bottom. Now, colors I'm going to be using today is the Master's Touch Violet, the Creative Inspirations Purple Lake, the Pourage Posse Silver Spoon. I have a link down below to Christina Welch's YouTube page where you can go to get those, and also the FolkArt Color Shift Purple Flash. So I'm going to start with the violet. The Purple Lake. The Silver Spoon. And the Color Shift Purple Flash. This gives it a hint of a blue at a different angle. Love that stuff. Alrighty, so my aim is to hit right in the middle here in the center without losing any paint. Yay! Alright, now for the 3 holes. I'm going to take off the masking tape. Now all the air when you flipped it over is caught in the cup. With that masking tape with the holes now, all the air is released. That way you can sit there and glide your cup along the base of the paint. You want to glide it because if you hit the canvas, it'll show the canvas through when it dries. So we're going to let a little bit of air and roll. We're gliding. Perfect. And we just want to go from one side Whoops, released too much paint. And then back a little bit to the center. I'm going to bring some color through that white there, so I'm going to drag a little bit back. All right. So now what we're going to do is we're going to pop the air bubbles, heat up the paint a little bit so that silicone can come through and see what pops up. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to move the paint because I want it to be a little bit even. Oh, I did dip it right there. And got a little color out, but that's all right. That's easily fixed. Just scoop it up. Now it's gone. All right, so then back to leveling out the paint. Now I'm going to tilt it towards me and then tilt it back some more this way. And then tilt it back down. Okay, I think I like it that way right there. So I'm going to try another torching, see if anything else will come up. Come on. There we go. Now I'm not putting the flame on the paint, I'm just letting it near it so that it heats it up, so that silicone and the air bubbles will pop. I was really hoping for more over there, but I guess not. Alright, now it's going to be time for the airbrush. So just forewarning you now, there is a little bit of noise on this. Now what we're going to do is we're going to try to take just the edges here and swoop them out. Alright. Whoops. That's what happens when you get too close to it a little bit. So you want to back off a little bit more. And just try to push those wispies out. I like how that dark purple and that purple lake. So I'm going to try to do a little bit over here. Just keep this over to the edge. I don't like that negative space right there. There we go. I think I like that the way it is. I'll give it one quick torch just to see if anything comes up over here in this dark purple on the edge. Nope, doesn't look like it. Well, everyone, I really do hope you enjoyed this video on how to do a flip and drag. I would love to hear from you. If you have any comments or questions, please leave them down below in the comments section. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button. and also that bell notification so that you'll be notified the next time I put up a video. I hope y'all enjoyed this. I did. I'm really liking the purples. I can't help it. I love my purples. Well, I hope you guys have a great one. Bye.